Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show how to change computer or laptop name on your Windows 10, 11 and other version of Windows. Two ways to change your computer or laptop name. So how we can do that? In the first step, we need to go to here, File Explorer, or you can go to this PC. Okay. Go to this PC option right here and right click on the vacant space, free space here, and then go to properties. Once you click on this option, you should see your computer name, full computer name. Okay, you can see the button of change setting. Click on this change setting option. Okay, now this is the option you want. You can see the option here to rename this computer or change its domain or work group. Click change. This you need to click on this option change. Okay, now you need to type your computer name here. Your computer name should be less than 15 digits. Okay, now change your computer name. Okay, like this. Okay, now you need to click on hit OK button here. You should see the name like this. Click on OK button. You can see the pop-up is. In order to change your computer name, you need to click on OK and then close it. And now you need to restart your system. Once you restart your system name will be changed. Okay, now I am going to show you the second method how you can do that. Press window plus R button together or go to search bar and type run. Okay, same window will open, the run dialog box. Now type here sysdim. Okay, .cpl like this. Hit OK. Now you should see same pop-up. You need to click on here to rename this computer. Change. Okay, now you can change your name from here, like whatever you want to type. Okay, you need to click on then OK button. Click on OK. Close this and same pop-up. You need to restart your system later, or you can restart your system. Once you restart your system, the changes will take effect and your system will be renamed. So hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.